In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build CRM workflows in Monday.com. If you're learning Monday CRM in 2026, one of the biggest updates you'll notice is the new Workflow Builder. This tool gives you a more visual way to automate your CRM process, and it's especially useful when you want to create actions that happen automatically as leads move through your system. Traditional automations are still available for simple tasks, but the Workflow Builder is designed for more flexible and powerful setups. To get started, log into your Monday.com account. Before building anything, make sure your CRM workspace is already set up properly. That means you should already have your lead stages configured and the important columns added, so your workflow has the right structure to work with. Once you're inside your workspace, click on AI Workflows. This is the area where you can create advanced automations using a visual builder. It helps you connect triggers and actions in a way that's easy to understand and manage later. For this example, choose Start from Scratch. This is the best option if you want to clearly understand how workflows work from the ground up. You can also use the AI prompt option in other cases if you want Monday.com to help generate a workflow for you. Next, type in a workflow name. Give it a clear and simple name so you can easily recognize what it does later, especially if you plan to build multiple workflows in your CRM. Then click Create. Now it's time to choose your trigger. Select When Item Created. This means the workflow will begin automatically whenever a new item is added. In a CRM setup, that usually means a new lead has entered your system, which is a very common starting point for automation. After that, select Leads for where this item will be created. This tells Monday.com exactly which board or object the workflow should monitor. In this case, you want the automation to watch for newly created lead entries. Next, click the plus icon to add an action. In the action search, type and select Notify Someone. This action is useful when you want to instantly alert a team member that something important has happened, like a new lead being added. Then enter a title for the notification. Keep it short and easy to recognize. After that, type your notification message. This is where you can add the details you want the recipient to see, so make the message clear and practical. Now choose a recipient. For this example, select yourself. This is a good way to test the workflow first before assigning notifications to someone else on your team. Finally, click Publish Workflow. Publishing makes the automation live, so it will start running whenever a new lead is created. That's how to build CRM workflows in Monday.com. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.